Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following is the next term in the series? So let's see: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So B is coupled with X, E with T. From this side you are reducing 2. From this side you are reducing 3. Next is H and P. So this is 2, this is 3. So next should be K and L, and correct, we have 2 and 3 reduced. So next term we have predicted correctly. So the next term in after KL will be, we have to reduce 2 from this side, so it will be N, this, and after L we have to reduce 3, so it will be H, NH. So answer should be option A.